It's been a while, ladies and gentlemen. Well, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. Dang, I have not played guitar. It's been too long. I do want to start getting back into it. I'm very rusty. That was like a one-shot, one-take kind of thing. I don't even know if I'm gonna post that. I don't even know. But hey, if you guys want to see more guitar stuff, let me know in the comment section below. I have a little bit of a collection. I could definitely show you guys around. If that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comments below. But for today, well, we have some new mods for the Golf R, and I'm pretty pumped about it. First off, though, we're gonna give her a wash. We're actually gonna be headed out to a car meet in a little bit here, but she is pretty dirty. Yeah, so we're gonna give her a bath, we're gonna show you guys the new mods, and then we're gonna head out to the car. We got them over here. Oh yeah, we got some springs. Let's open up this box. First and foremost, there we go. There you have it, brand new in the box there. So these are new speed lowering springs. Now, I'm gonna make another video comparing coilovers versus springs and kind of which one is right for you. This is the first pair of springs I have actually put on a car. Now, I normally go coilovers for obvious reasons, but with this car, it actually has the adjustable shocks on it, the DCC. So that kind of made everything a little bit wacky with my choice whether I go coilovers or not. I didn't want to lose that, and I also wasn't trying to slam this car because it actually is pretty nice from the factory. Let's just go take a look at it for 1 second. So even from the factory here, she's not too bad. I mean, she's definitely not perfect, but I mean, in the front here, we got like a 2-finger gap. In the rear, we got about a 2.5 to 3 finger gap, which honestly is what some cars look like after lowering springs. So it doesn't sit too bad from the factory, so I didn't want to slam it. So these will be a 1-inch drop, which should be just enough to make it look pretty nice. And to go along with it, for now anyway, we got some wheel spacers for the stock wheels to push them out a little bit farther, so it's going to give it a pretty good stance. Now, like I said, that was the reason why I went with the springs instead of coilovers, just because I didn't want to lose that functionality of the stock suspension. If this didn't have that, I would have definitely just gone for coilovers because I like my cars low, but I think as just for a daily driver, this is going to be very, very usable.
The next day.
While I was actually editing this video, the other package did end up coming in, so let me show you guys that real quick here. So we got a bunch of extensions for the spacers, and yeah, they're the spacers. So we went with 10 millimeters in front, and these are 17.5 for the rear. So these combined with the springs will make for a good looking ride, at least on the stock wheels. We got Hondas for days over here at the meet. Got a Veloster on some vet wheels. Stance Camry gang. Another Honda. Oh yeah, Aaron's on the vlog.
What's up?
What up? He's here. He's always behind the scenes.
Always.
Always. How many Hondas do you think we got here?
About half of the meet. 50%
About
Hondas.
a 51% ratio Hondas to other cars here at this meet tonight. We got the Prelude crew. So this was the Mazda that was on my other video. For those of you guys who don't know, I had a Mazda that looked just like this. This is my first turbo car. I had the black hood, the black wheels, the same, everything that this guy's got, I had on mine. If you go back on my channel, you could probably find some video of that car, just maybe some exhaust video I think I did of it, but I wasn't doing YouTube videos back then. But super fun car, I really miss it, and if you guys are looking for a good daily, now obviously you guys know my dad has a 2010 one of these, but I honestly prefer this one, I like it a lot. Whoa, we got the Evo crew over here, big Wang Gang. This thing looks pretty badass. I do love myself some Evos, man. Even though I prefer the Evo 8 over the Evo 10, but this is a good example. Evo 8, 9, or 10, comment below. However, how many people can you fit in your car? Because I'm pretty sure you could put like 8 in that van. Hell yeah. Yo, what do we got here? It's Tony, he showed up like 45 minutes late. Tony!
What's up?
Why are you back?
Oh man.
Got another Skyline.
Another one. And it's partially slammed.
And another one. Yeah, what? This isn't slammed for you, man. Shit. You're not even on the ground, man.
Well, I can't lower the front anymore. The front's maxed out.
R32 wheels on here? Or GTR wheels?
Yep. So,
What year is this one?
91.
91. GTST or is GTS?
Yep, GTST.
GTST. Pop the hood, man.
First
Pop the hood. Let's see that RB20. RB gang.
RB gang, yeah.
Dang, Tony looks pretty stock.
Yeah, it's a stock boy. It'll be stock for a while.
Yeah, that's the RB20 right there.
Unless something happens with the turbos, and then we'll...
What do you guys think? Should I buy another one back? Should I buy my old one back? I don't know. We'll see.
That's a good idea. You should.
It's for sale right now.
I saw that.
How many miles on this thing? Or kilometers?
I think miles-wise, I think it came out to 87,000 miles.
Yo, didn't your last one have like 300,000 or 400,000 kilometers on it?
The two-door coupe.
Had how many
that
on
one
it?
Had almost 400,000.
400,000 kilometers. Yeah, dude, that was crazy.
You don't see
Yeah, four-door.
four-doors.
Not anymore. They're around, but they're around.
Yeah, but it seems like everybody wants the 2 doors. So it's like, that's why
Yeah.
I don't see as many of the 4 doors.
What are your plans for this one?
You're gonna hate
Stance
me.
it out?
Yes. You're
I
also
mean,
gonna hate
I
me.
already knew what you were gonna say.
Yeah, well,
I was gonna be like, oh, are you gonna raise this up and put a big turbo and built motor in it?
I've got a full GTS 4-lug swap for it.
Oh my God, he's 4-lug swapping it. Flip it.
put my-
Hey, this is gonna give a lot of hate in the comment section.
will,
Yeah,
I will.
leave a comment below. Roast Tony right now.
Yeah, I got the work wheels and the SSRs I got
4-lug.
on there.
One thing I do notice here, you got a sunroof, man.
Yes, I got
Is that a rare option?
It is a very rare.
I don't think I've seen one with a sunroof before. That's crazy.
Yeah, they're awesome.
That's sick.
I was gonna pop it anyway.
But does it leak?
Nope.
Oh, it doesn't leak.
There is one downside on it though. It doesn't go all the way back.
The rare sunroof option.
That's all it does.
Well, that's all you
Go all the
get.
way back, but whatever, it's fine.
Well guys, we are headed back home. Kind of a chill night, not too much going on. It is really hot out here though, so the turnout wasn't too great, but you know, hey, not bad for a Sunday evening. Well everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel if you are new. Next video, like I said, we'll be installing the new mods on the Golf R. Looking forward to that. I'm sure it's going to look much better after versus my stock stance now, which, you know, we can't have that. We can't have it. So, as usual guys, we will see you all on the next video. Peace!